Yung goals natin is like a magnet. The more na mas clear yung goal sa'yo, it will pull you. It's like a magnet that will pull you to your goals. That's why napaka-importante na more define yung goals mo. Kasi it's fully you going to the future that you wanted to be, that align to your goal. And the universe also pull you according to your goal. So it's just like a magnet. Napakasimple lang na isipin na kung ano yung mindset mo, kung ano yung goal mo, yun yung hinahata ka. Kaya dapat clear sa mind mo kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari. Exactly. Just like visions or goals that you have, as you attract it, you pull it will fool you. Going through what you think, what you feel, it will pull you draw near to what you feel, what your visions, what your thought. Napaka-importante that clear sa'yo kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Para yung bagay na mag-a-attract sa'yo, yung bagay na mag-full sa'yo, is yung bagay na gusto mo. Kaya nga meron tayong tinatawag na your mind is like a magnet. What you think is what you have. Kung yung bagay na iniisip mo, yun yung magkakaroon ka, yun yung mag-a-attract sa'yo, yun yung i-attract mo. Same thing. Kung ano iniisip mo, kung ano naramdaman mo, yun yung mangyayari. Yun yung mag-a-attract mo. Same din sa tao nasa paligid mo. Kaya we have to be very careful kung ano yung goal natin, kung ano yung iniisip natin, because the universe will fool you. What you think, what you feel, what your vision, because you are the one who fool yourself to the universe like a magnet. At napaka-importante na we be very careful of what you think, lalo na doon sa mga bagay na ayaw mo, because when your mind is always ayoko na to, ayoko na, you are not aware that you're fooling yourself, draw near to what you don't want, same thing to what you want, but the difference is you don't have that considerations when you think to the things that you don't want. That's why the attraction is so strong, fooling yourself to the magnet that you don't want. But when you think of what you want, there's a lot of consideration. That's why the magnet is pull. But stronger that you think, the stronger the magnet of what you attract to yourself. So napaka-importante. Kaya na-realize ko last year yung mga bagay na ayaw ko, parang yun kasi yung nangyari sa akin. Kasi lagi ko siyang iniisip na ayaw ko. That's why it's a lesson for me na huwag kang mag-focus dun sa mga kung magpo-focus ka rin lang, focus ka dun sa goal mo, focus ka dun sa dream mo, para yun yung ma-attract mo, para yun yung mag-magnet sa'yo, even dun sa mga tao na makakasama mo sa buhay. Napaka-importante yan, kasi at the end, you will really realize at the end na, ito pala yung mga bagay na ayaw ko, bakit ito yung nasa akin, because you attract it, because you pull those things draw near to you, na you are not aware. Kahit sinasabi mo ayaw mo, yun yung mas na-attract mo, yun yung mas napupull mo going closer to you. And so you have to be very careful of what you think, of what you feel, because that is so strong. The magnet that you attract yourself, what happened to the universe that you want. That's why kung mag-iisip ka rin lang, isipin mo na kung ano yung dapat mong isipin, kung ano yung gusto mo clearly, hindi yung mga bagay na ayaw mo. Kasi yung mga bagay na ayaw mo, kahit na it's also a thought. Kung iniisip mo yung mga bagay na ayaw mo, it's also a magnet that you fool yourself, draw near to that mga bagay na ayaw mo. Kaya yung mangyayari. So, it's a lesson learned for us. Kung mag-iisip ka lang, mag-focus ka rin lang, focus ka dun sa mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Hope this simple talk, you learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.